What is your name?
My name is Anna.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Spain.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading books.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
Is your family big?
No, it is small.
Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I live with them.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Maria.
Do you visit your grandparents?
Yes, I visit them every weekend.
What does your mother do?
She is a nurse.
Do you play with your cousins?
Yes, we play football together.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many friends at school.
What do you like to eat?
I like pizza.
Do you drink coffee?
No, I drink tea.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is apple.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook sometimes.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and butter.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I eat carrots and tomatoes.
Where do you live?
I live in Dakar.
Do you like the city?
Yes, I like the city.
Do you go to the park?
Yes, I go to the park on Sundays.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
Do you travel by train?
Yes, sometimes I travel by train.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I like swimming at the beach.
Where is the supermarket?
It is near my house.
Do you visit museums?
Yes, I visit museums with my class.
Do you go shopping?
Yes, I go shopping on Saturdays.
What do you buy?
I buy clothes and shoes.
Do you like the market?
Yes, I like the market.
How much is this book?
It is $5.
Do you pay with cash?
Yes, I pay with cash.
Do you buy fruit at the shop?
Yes, I buy bananas and apples.
Do you like shopping malls?
Yes, they are big and nice.
Do you buy gifts for friends?
Yes, I buy gifts for birthdays.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school every day.
Do you like math?
Yes, I like math.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. John.
Do you study at home?
Yes, I study at home.
Do you have homework?
Yes, I have homework every day.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books in the library.
Do you write in English?
Yes, I write simple sentences.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is painting.
Do you play football?
Yes, I play football with friends.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV in the evening.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to pop music.
Do you dance?
Yes, I dance at parties.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I play video games at home.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I read storybooks.
Do you go swimming?
Yes, I swim in the pool.